Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial right now is about getting rid of the new ransomware called MinlWon. This is ransomware that encrypts files and damages the files considerably. My video, of course, is for educational purposes. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your data without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data can be opened easily without any troubles at all. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this MinlWon ransomware may be easily injected, and very soon the computer gets restarted. And so then users realize that they cannot access their data because of this MinlWon ransomware. The ransomware encrypts files and tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool called the Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. After you do that, the program would most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is surely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. As you see, now it is updating its antivirus database, so don't skip that procedure. It's very important. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.